Hi everyone, it's time for another YouTube sales haul. You guys know you see me in all the sales, but I have cut back because I'm getting rid of stuff. But now I am on a restriction of where I'm only going to buy things I know I'm going to use in the next 6 months. So y'all can come back to the sales now. I'm not going to be bidding up everything and buying everything. Okay? Okay. Alright, my first one comes from Dutch Ridge Primitive, Miss Debbie Ham. And I like to buy from other people as well because I like to support those who are kind to me and who support me on my channel. But also, some people's work I just freaking love. And Debbie Ham's is one of them. She makes absolutely gorgeous stuff. And I do believe the name of her channel is Dutch Ridge Primitive. I don't think it's by her name. But check this snippet. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, wow. I never thought to mix paper and fabric on one, but I will now. Thank you, Debbie. I'm copying you. I love her flowers back here. Haven't seen those anywhere before. And there's something else too. I love looking for distinctive different things. And yeah, I will use this in my crafting. And then here is another fabric flip she made. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Just, I mean, wow. It just stuns me. And my button's stuck, but that's okay. This is gorgeous. This is going to go in the current shabby chic journal I'm working on. Debbie, spell my name right. Okay. Yes, it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this one. I love it. And I go through these bad boys that she makes. I really do. I just use the heck out of her little booklets that she makes. I love them. Look at this. IE. Look at that tag. I mean, she just does absolutely stunning, gorgeous work. And look at all the stuff she stuck in here. My goodness, Debbie. Gorgeous papers. Coffee dyed papers. Some more tags. And fabric pocket. This is so cool. More vintage stuff set back here. A letter. I mean, it's just awesome. I keep these on my desk mostly. I will have one in my purse normally, but I think I've used it all up, so this one's going to go back to the purse. But normally, you know, if I'm watching videos and Pam from Paper Outpost comes on and does one of her phenomenal things, I'll write it down in here. I write down the date of the video and whose it is, so I know how to go back and find it again if it's something I want to learn to do or something I'm interested in doing. So Debbie usually sells with a group. Sometimes she sells by herself. But this particular day, she had a group. And the next one is Pearl Spines, I believe is what she uses. Yes, Pearl Spines. It was Pearl Brown. Let me move Debbie's stuff so it doesn't get lost. So, wow. That's a heck of a bag there. I didn't know how you made them this big. I am currently redoing my kitchen. Slow going, but I'm trying to. But this piece of fabric here I bought to cut the animals out of. Get back on cardstock. And some of the words. And I mean, it was cheap. Everything she sold was just crazy cheap. So, no it wasn't, no it wasn't. It's way overpriced. Sorry, Pearl, don't raise your prices. But wow. wow. No, she really does have good deals on her prices. I've never seen anybody sell this particular fabric for what she did. And then this piece I also got to use for crafting, because I already have my placemats, my tablecloth, and my curtains. Well, I have the fabric to make my curtains and tablecloth. But this one I thought particularly would be good for making a center mat to put down on the table to put your dishes and stuff on. So I love this one when she brought it out. So yeah, I got that one. And then I love this blue. Look at these. Oh, this is fantastic. This one's probably going to be tags and pockets and stuff like that. I just love it. Absolutely love it. I'm not going to hoard any of it. Probably will for a while, but I'm going to try to use it as much as I can. I love this one too. It's absolutely awesome. And it has the name of each chicken beside it. This one I definitely bought for crafting. Oh, she's in some playing cards. Cool. This one is definitely going into crafting. And as soon as she brought it out, I said, ooh, I have not seen that before. And this is a tablecloth, and I'm not going to use it for that. So, of course I'm not. Well, I am, but not for the main table. We have like a metal shelf in one corner that we put like small appliances and stuff on, those bakery racks. If this will work, I'm going to try to make a curtain out of it to go over the front of it. And I think it will work. So who knows, if I ever get that kitchen finished, maybe I'll do a tour of it and y'all can see all the stuff that I bought and YouTube sells and how I repurpose them to put in the kitchen. Okay, that is what I bought at that sale. And thank you, ladies. I love it. Thank you for the great prices and the excellent quality. And keep your eyes out. You'll see your products being used soon. I'll see you later. Bye.